Today we're gonna be reviewing hat organizers. Here's what comes in the box. You got screws. You got 2-pack of the hat organizers. Actually, it's like this. It's really nice and colorful. It's very hard plastic. So you know they will last forever. And how to set it up and how to hold your hats. So you can see here, it's a nice, simple design. You can stack them up like this, one on top of each other, or put them here next to each other in the closet or whatever you keep your hats. Have a whole bunch of hats. This organizer, this holds 20 hats per rack, so 2 hats per hook. If you can see, it has adhesive in the back. So if you don't want to make holes and stick it to the wall, you can definitely just stick it, and then whenever you are gonna take them off, you can peel it off and take them off. I have a whole bunch of hats here. You can see. So put them on. Just lift it and put the little top of the hat in there. Like I said, it holds 2 hats per hook. You keep them in a nice shape. They're not gonna be all there you have it. Won't go anywhere. And they keep them nice and fold like you want it. They'll keep them nice and with a nice shape. You can just keep putting hats under. So all you have to do is, let's go Mets, pull the hook and just stick your hat in there. And now it's nice and safe. You can see now they're all secure. It won't come off. So it's 2 per, so you got up to 20 per hook. This is a 2-pack, so you'll have a lot of space in your room. Like me, I have a whole bunch of hats. So instead of having them all on top of each other, now I have these hooks, this organizer that I'm definitely gonna use. You have them there, ready to go. To take them off, all you do is just pull it and pull your hat out. The other one stays secure. So for the price of steel, definitely recommend it. Go get yours. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.